So this horn came off this car. Pulling stuff I need off of it. Want to see if it works? Let's see if it works. I got an 18-volt battery that says it doesn't, but we'll try anyway for fun. All right, so I got a ground clean. Here's my positive. Positive would go here. Negative will go here. As soon as I touch it, it should go off if it works. Color me surprised. It works. I think I got to put that on the other car. I assume original horn most likely. So, hey, it's only, what, 60, I don't know. I can't do math right now. 64 years old? Yeah, 64 years old. And it still works. That's quality right there.